Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MAX and MIN functions in Excel. These powerful tools help you quickly find the largest and smallest numbers within any dataset. Understanding their basic application is crucial for efficient data analysis. We will cover their syntax, practical examples, and some advanced tips to enhance your spreadsheet skills. Get ready to master these fundamental Excel functions for better data insights. To use the MAX function, simply select an empty cell where you want your result. Type an equals sign, followed by MAX, then an opening parenthesis. Next, highlight the range of cells containing the numbers you wish to analyze, like a 1 through a 10. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will instantly display the highest value from your selected data, making it easy to spot maximums. Similarly, for the MIN function, choose a cell to display your result. Begin by typing an equals sign, then MIN, and an opening parenthesis. Now, select the range of numbers you want to evaluate, perhaps from B1 to B20. After closing the parenthesis, hit Enter. The cell will then show the smallest number within that specified range, helping you identify minimum values effortlessly in your spreadsheets. It's important to remember that both MAX and MIN functions ignore text and logical values, focusing only on numerical data. You can also include individual numbers or cell references directly as arguments, like comparing 10, 20, and the value in cell A1. These functions are incredibly useful for quickly identifying outliers or key data points, even in very large datasets, providing valuable insights at a glance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.